Page 10, Fireside Thoughts. At the top of the page, we get a new note for the treble clef. It is a D. It's the next to the top line in the staff. You have a C here, and you've had the C up above already, and the D is right above that. So we're up to here. So now we got more notes. We got all these notes learned. Oh boy, we're getting there. We're going to cover both staves here before long, I'm sure. And which finger you use depends on where your hand is. So it's up to you now to know the name of that note. It's a D. Now for Fireside Thoughts, let's look this over. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in the key of G major. It means all the F's in the piece are going to be played as F sharp, automatically F sharp. Never mind that there are no F's in the piece, doesn't matter, but it still has to be in the key signature if you're going to be in the key of G major. 4/4 time signature and quarter notes, whole notes, and half notes. Let's take it one hand at a time, make sure we understand what each hand is doing, starting with the right hand here. And the quarter notes, we get our D. No problem, I hope. You're not moving around or nothing, you're just right there. In the left hand, well, isn't this nice? You got all these numbers down here. It's an alternate fingering, and a lot of music will do this. The editor, the composer, whatever, will give you alternate fingerings. You pick. You can play those notes. There's G and a B. Those are the notes. You can play it with 4 and 2. Then put your hand here if you want. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. That's fine. Or you can play it with 3 and 5, which would put your hand here. Here. Same notes, different fingers. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. It's up to you which fingers you want. You say, what? Yeah, why would I even think about this? This is easier because doing here than here. Why would I even want to think about doing it this way? And the answer is because in the right hand you're in G position, and you might just want to be in G position in the left hand too. And if you are, then you need to use that. But if you don't mind being in F position here and G position here, then you use that. It's different for different people. As far as I'm concerned, you should be able to do it either way. It doesn't matter what position your hand is in. Don't get hung up on, am I in G position or F position or C position? You just, wherever the notes tell you to go, you go there. So I think for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and use the first set of note fingers, 4 and 2, here while I'm up here. Now I'll put the hands together, it's here. Get the idea? So you put the hands together and then go back through and get rid of any hesitations. Get rid of them. And they don't give any articulation here. There's no accents or staccatos or anything. So I'll skip the articulation. Now we go into the interpretation. Natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You feel these here. In the left hand, they're only playing on the natural accent. You don't have to worry about it. Then I think about the phrasing. Where are the musical sentences or the musical thoughts? And here it looks like it's every 4 measures. Just the melody. It's one musical thought. And then I do the second line is another musical thought. So each line here is a phrase. Therefore, I'm going to lift up at the end of the line to go on. Just a little lift. It's like taking a breath. In the left hand, I'm going to try and play this left hand as connected as I can. Now, I can't connect these, but these I can. Then lift up. So I'm going to connect these. So the hands would... In the right hand, I'm connecting that. I can't connect that, I gotta lift up. So here, but not there. Then both hands can lift up for the phrase, so forth. So you put in the phrasing, and then we think, bring out the melody. That's the right hand. The left hand's very light in the background. Very light with the left hand. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I'm not going to bring out the melody, but I will lift up for the phrasing. I'll lift up at the end of the first line. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. One, 2, 3, 4.